So, Lime Snake, you have failed me. Apologies, Master Shredder, but the snake was too quick. Enough! I'll have somebody else catch him. I'll have somebody else go catch the snake. Who? Me. Huh? Who is this? His name is Bradford, and he's my old friend. Hi, Master Shredder. What do you want me to do? I want you to go destroy those pathetic turtles. I'll have to try to find them first. Make sure to go find them and destroy them at any cost. Are you guys all okay? Yeah, we could have beat that lime snake. Yeah, dudes, I thought I was gonna be eaten there for a second. So, Leo, are you doing okay? That stupid snake bit me in the leg. A good thing that lime snake wasn't poisonous. Well, Leo, you should stay off your leg and rest. Well, Snake, I'm gonna go rest, 'cause I don't feel good. But if Shredder sends anybody, make sure to alert me. You need to stay off your leg, Leo. I'll have Orange Snake fight for you today. Alright then. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Make sure to rest now, my son. I don't need you to get hurt anymore. Can anyone tell me who that mutant wolf is out there? Wait, what mutant wolf? Wait a minute, that guy works for Shredder. So, Donnie, what are we gonna do? We'll fight him, but first we have to hide. Okay, ninjas, let's hide before he comes in. Okay, guys, let's hurry and hide before he comes. Here. I wonder where those turtles are. I swore I heard voices. Come out, turtles. Are you too afraid to face me? Huh? Who's there? Come out, you pathetic turtles! Here! You pathetic turtles, we meet again. Last time I seen you, you didn't look so ugly. This time you really got ugly. How about you come here and say that? Sounds like a good idea. Here! Here! Haha! What? Alright, you pathetic turtles. Just hand over the snake. Here! Alright, you stupid wolf. You better get out of here, or you're gonna be sorry. I'm not leaving until I defeat you and that snake. Here! And this is for my brothers. The next time you come back here, you'll be sorry.